Did you know there's a strange reason why we say bless you after someone sneezes? We say it almost automatically, but have you ever wondered where it came from? Long ago, people believed a sneeze could let evil spirits enter your body or your soul escape. Saying bless you was thought to protect you from bad luck and keep your spirit safe. During the Black Plague, sneezing was often one of the first signs of serious illness. People would say God bless you as a quick prayer for health and survival. Over time, the phrase stayed even after people stopped believing the old superstitions. Different countries have their own versions, but the idea is the same, showing care and kindness. Today, saying bless you is less about superstition and more about simple human connection. So that tiny phrase you hear every day actually carries centuries of history behind it. Now you know why we say bless you after sneezing. What everyday mystery should we explain next? Comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe.